I don't know why it's got ads all of a sudden. Anyway, I'm a little bit confused. I don't know if you was talking to me or if you were talking to Philip. But I thought you said, at one point I thought you were talking about the puppy, and then I thought you said Philip was unique. And then I wasn't sure, so I thought you said something about I need to, like, be with Philip. I don't know if that means Philip as like an ancestor, as a tribe thing, or what you're talking about. So could you please elaborate on that? And I don't have a problem with Philip. I love Philip to death. I always have. My main problem is just not really knowing, exactly what was going on. I mean, because there was a root put on me way back in the beginning. It took me like 2 years to realize it and get it off of me. And there's a lot of stuff that gets casted at me, which is not a bad idea. But anyway, it's hard on here to tell y'all apart. I do better when I actually see y'all and can see your energy signature. I can kind of, I still don't really know who exactly is who, but I have a much better understanding than I do with this electronic voice. So I'm going to be quiet and let y'all just tell me what's going on. Just tell me what's on your mind now. And Philip, you know me probably better than a lot of the rest of them. You and Kenneth probably know me better than I'd say anybody. I mean, really, as far as, because y'all been interacting with me since day one. And, so, I'm just gonna let you talk. And, if there was a miracle was to happen, like you was to tell me something really truthful, like, I mean, I've always seen you, Kenneth, and Vincent as separate entities, as separate people. I may be wrong, I don't know. I don't hate Gene. I don't. I just, I don't hate Vincent. I just don't understand a lot of it. Which, is my problem, I guess. But, I know that Gene and Vincent are the same. And, sometimes I think that Bill is Vincent too. But I'm not sure, because Bill is unique in his own way. And, Hank kind of confused me when Hank come saying he was Wayne. I mean, I never understood that whole thing. I should go back and listen to it, because I never understood it. But anyway, I'm going to be quiet now, and whatever y'all want to tell me, I'm listening. open-minded and open-hearted. My ears are ringing. It is hard to hear, so. Sorry about that. I hit the button. I didn't mean to. Alright. I'm just going to set it right there. Quit, Lou. God, I wish them dogs. I know. Yeah, I'll be right back.